It's a pesto.
Oh yeah. Here.
Well, I mean, I wish the sun would have prepared for us, but
Thank you.
What, do you take control of it?
like the good-looking people knew the window as well, right? That's the secret.
Something like that. There we go.
Thank you.
And the drink. Oh,
Thank you. Go sit down with some water.
You might as well pick the two first course.
Okay.
thank you. Do we know what we'd like to eat first? Perfect.
And we're gonna go with your recommendation.
Awesome.
And you're gonna do the menta. And I'll do the risotto.
Okay. All right.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Go ahead. No?
Let me clean the glass. Here.
This is a sunchoke soup with a little truffle oil on top, and then crispy sunchoke chips on the side. Delicious. Thank you. Enjoy.
All right, team. Are we splitting these or?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, fair
Maybe
enough. So I have the insalata. So we have our rainbow radishes, edamame, sweet poppy, and oyster mushrooms, lightly breaded, flash fried with an arugula pesto.
I love the peas. They're beautiful. This is gorgeous. Hi.
My friend didn't understand.
I mean, oh my god, that lipstick is gorgeous. Wow! It's so pretty. Do you like the mushroom? I get it. Oh. Eat it.
But yes.
It's a pesto.
Oh yeah. Look at this, babe. Oh, crispy. The salt is really on point. Wow.
That pesto is really good. Oh, yeah. Looks great. Thank you.
For drinks.
There's 6.
Actually, not
Oh.
bad.
very tasty actually. The tomato sauce is splendid.
How do you do it without the cheese?
Oh, I mean, they're wizards in the kitchen.
Yeah.
They make up some vegan cheeses that are just,
Really?
oh yeah, just fantastic. Awesome.
All right, I have the risotto
Thank you.
Oh.
and the agnolotti.
That looks pretty.
Enjoy. No little recourse, right? You pretty much get something out of it. It makes well.
There's a little bit tomato touch. What's the sweetness?
Balsamic.
Balsamic. I really like the touch of lettuce. And the colors are beautiful. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, yours smells better. It's a good decaf. That looks amazing. Oh, look at mine.
With the raspberry.
The pistachio is super creamy. Oh, try it.